Today we'll have a quick look at prime or composite numbers and how to identify what number is prime and what number is composite. Our first definition is for prime numbers, and we can say that a prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that cannot be made by multiplying other whole numbers. The first set of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and then so on. How do we apply the definition then to say, well, for example, that 7 is a prime number? Well, we see if we take 7 that we cannot multiply any numbers between 1 and 7 together to make 7. Only 1 times 7 or 7 times 1 works. But we say to use other whole numbers in our definition. A prime number can also be considered to be a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. So this means that, for example, again with 7, we cannot divide any numbers between 1 and 7 to make another whole number. If we take 7 and we divide it by 2, we won't get a whole number. We'll get 3.5, and 3.5 is not a whole number. So only 7 divided by 7 will equal a whole number, which is 1. And 7 divided by 1 equals 7. So in that first example there, you can see that it is the number divided by itself. And the second example is the number divided by 1. And it must always equal a whole number. Composite numbers are whole numbers greater than 1 that can be made by multiplying other whole numbers. If we take a look at the prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13, we'll see that the composite numbers are the numbers in between. In between 3 and 5 is 4. Between 5 and 7 is 6. Between 7 and 11 we have 8, 9, and 10. And between 11 and 13 we have 12. Those are considered to be the composite numbers. For example, if we take the number 12, we see that 12 can be made by multiplying different whole numbers together other than 1 in itself. 2 times 6 equals 12, two other whole numbers. And 3 times 4 equals 12, two other whole numbers. Or we can also say 4 times 3 equals 12, and 6 times 2 equals 12. If we extend the definition of prime numbers a little bit further, we'll see that it is a number that can be divided by other whole numbers to make another whole number. So 12 can also be divided by other whole numbers to make other whole numbers. 12 divided by 2 equals 6, and 12 divided by 6 will equal 2. Or 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 12 divided by 4 equal 3. It is very important to remember that all whole numbers greater than 1 are either prime or composite. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. The link for the material is provided in the description box. It will link directly to my website where you can download it. Thanks for watching.